very stationary.
He's coming to say hello to us.
Nesting season, it says.
Hello. I see you.
It says nesting season. Keep your distance.
See that one? Look at that one. Right there on the ground. See that one? They're very active this morning, huh?
There's another bird. There's 2 other birds.
Oh, they're up in there. There's a bunch of them.
They're so colorful, they almost look fake.
Get their skin on the ground.
Baby squirrels were here.
What's that bird? Right there.
Daddy can read it and see.
Which one are you looking at?
That one. You like
The
that
white one?
No, that.
Yeah, the same, the white-headed. He's talking.
Looks like they just got fed something.
Is it the mandarin duck? Looks like, no, not that guy.
Hey, look at it. Look at it.
Yeah, they're coming up to visit, huh? Stand right here, I'll take your picture right next to it. Lily, stand right there. Hold on, let's see, hold on, let me. Muck, 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 muck!
I want to see a black panther.
Well, yep, let's go. We're making our way through, love. See what we can find.
It smells like rotten eggs. No, it smells like eggs.
They look like it.
Summer. It's summer vacation.
Morning. Here, a rooster.
Oh.
Oh, look at the pink guys. The ibis.
Oh, Ebba.
See the pink guys? There's a rooster in there somewhere.
Where's the rooster?
I'm not sure.
The little ones can kick out of the roof.
Yep.
Maybe alligator.
Kinda, doesn't he look like an alligator?
Is he gonna get huge? I want that. Can I have that?
Look at this big sand. Look at how it looks like the plate of the farm.
Oh, over here you can't see his eyes.
See.
It's tail.
There is two. Kind of like scissor mouth.
Look at the turtle. We're on the rock.
They're under the shade.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see him from that angle. It's kind of like a big warthog. Yeah, he's hiding under the shade over there. Alright, girlies, we can come back through here because this is our entrance anyway, or the exit. He might come out later. What? To play Roblox? Sarah. No. Where? I just hope we have a ride back. That's the rhino that we saw up above. See the rhino over here? Lily, don't lean over. I don't want you to lose your sunglasses.
Can I have it?
No. It's coming to say hello to you, though. Gotta sit right there.
He's like a
It's kind of like a dog, huh?
like a cat.
Oh, yeah.
They will eat small
Hey,
animals.
there's another one.
There's, oh, up under the log.
Yeah,
Good eye, Lily. Good eye.
I'm just looking around. Oh, there's another one. There's another
Oh,
one.
there's another one. 3 of them. That one under the log is really under there. Well, that one here must be feeding time. See how alert he is? He just
Yeah.
saw one of the
Workers.
workers saying this one's, look how skinny they look.
Look at that one come closer.
Yeah.
Oh my, it's going to hide.
They're afraid of the zookeepers.
Hey, look at
They're skittish. Oh, he says maybe it's okay. Maybe it's feeding time. He's not too sure. But they're under veterinary care,
What is that supposed to mean?
meaning they're ill.
Oh.
I don't know. No, I don't want you to touch them. I mean, they probably are okay, but look at all of them coming.
I didn't say so.
Look at these. Is that a baby?
Yeah, looks like it.
It's like right on the beach. Oh, there's a dog.